Hi, Ray.
Hi, Mas.
Hi, how are you today? Good, you good? Are you good? Oke, kita mulai ya. Let's start now.
Okay.
For today, is it the same material or you want to change other material, other
Uh,
material? Sama, area and perimeter or which one?
the
Still in
angle.
area and uh, still in area and perimeter or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let's continue our last study berarti ya.
Okay.
Okay. Still remember or still save our last worksheet?
Yeah. Wait.
Okay. Kalau nggak ada,
Uh,
Miss kirimkan. If you have not, haven't,
Hillary Sandetness.
yes, okay, I will send it to you. Wait, wait. Bentar. I think I forgot. Wait, this one. No. Wait, oh, this one. Area and okay. If today this worksheet finish by us, yeah, I will send another worksheet to you, okay?
Because
Okay, wait. Oh, bisa ya? Have you dinner? Have you done with your dinner?
uh,
Jangan lupa makan ya, Rey.
yeah.
Jaga
Uh,
kesehatan ya,
I
oke?
haven't ate.
Oke. Wait. I think I cannot save. Wait. Hmm, export and then I will send it to my email. Wait. This one. On this one. Okay. Eh, wait. Mm. Nah, this module or this PDF, it's not clear anymore. Yeah, there are so many uh doodle in here. So many banyak coret-coretan di situ karena kan kemarin kita belajarin di sini ya. But it's okay. Okay, it shows that we are so serious. Yeah, okay. So let's start our study tonight. Have you
Okay.
opened it? Have you opened it your file?
Try to download it.
Okay. Okay. Let's continue to see ya. The C figures are the figure of C. Okay. The C
Uh,
figure are a figure of C. Oh, okay. The Wi-Fi is bad. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. We have to find the area of C. The C figure in here, it's triangle, right? Okay, right. Let's try by yourself. Can you can you tell me what's the area of this triangle? Can you tell me what's the formula dulu aja? For the first time, what the formula? Okay?
um,
Mm-mm.
like A times D. I
Yeah,
forget.
Yes, divided by 2. Okay,
Yeah.
don't forget to put 2 in here. Okay, so what's A in here?
Uh, six, A,
Yes, 8. And then what's the number of T in here?
12. Then,
Yeah, 12. Yeah. Then divided by 2. Okay. So we can find the value of area. Okay. We can find the value of area. Okay.
uh,
Next. Yeah, next, yeah. Just find it. Just calculate this number. Just calculate this number. Can you help me to find? Can you help me to calculate these numbers? What's the numbers for the result?
mm,
Correct. It's 6, right? So 8 times by 6, it's 48. Okay. It's
yeah.
48. So the area of the triangle is 48. Let's move to the figures in here. The figure in here, it's also a triangle, right? Yeah. Okay, so
But,
what's the area of this triangle? Ray, can you help me to solve it?
okay.
Yeah. What's the A in here? A. What's the value of A in here? 30, right? Yes.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, T. What's the number of T or height in here?
But, 30.
Yes, 40. 40, this one, yeah, 40, yeah. And then divided by 2. Okay. So what's the answer?
Right.
Coret
Wait,
ya,
out.
langsung ya. Yes. So it's 600, right?
100.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Oh yeah. For your information, if one day you meet the questions, yeah, the units or the units are different. The units is changed, gitu ya. What should we do, Miss? If the unit is changed, okay, is changed, you should to make it into what's the questions. Okay, contoh misal, for example, if the original units is in millimeter and then the questions in centimeter. So you have to convert from meters millimeters into centimeter.
Yeah.
Okay? Ya. And then baru kita hitung. Gitu. Oke. So for the
Yeah.
first time we have to convert the units. Kalau pertanyaannya unitsnya berbeda. There are different units. Okay? Next, E. Next E. Can you help me to solve it?
Mm,
Okay. What's A in
then,
here? I think the connection is so bad, yeah, Ray.
hotness,
Oh yeah, 4. Yeah. And then what's the number of T in here? 6, right?
6.
Yeah. So it's 4 times with 6, right? Divided by
Yeah.
2. Okay. Next, ya, Ray. Just solve it.
Okay.
Okay. It's 3. So 4 times with 3, it's 4 times with 3. What's the number? 4 times with 3?
12.
Yes, 12. Next, F. Ray. Can you help me to solve it again?
Okay.
Yeah. What's the
Uh,
number of A in here?
mm,
8, right?
which
Yeah.
number is?
Yes, 8
Right.
times with 6, right? Yeah. And then don't forget to divide it by 2.
Um,
Okay. So the answer
and-
is 24, yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Is there any questions, Ray? No?
No.
No, I think more apa namanya? More I think more understand ya. so much more understand, I think. Amin ya. Okay. And then next with the same formula. Okay. Let's skip to number 2. Yeah. Why, miss? Because
Yeah.
they are same. So just calculate for each picture, for each figures. Okay, for each figure. Next, number 2. The diagram show two triangles drawn inside a rectangle. Explain why the two shaded triangles have the same area. Why? Kenapa bisa sama sih, Miss? Because they have same in area, sorry, same in base or A-nya, ya, alasnya or base-nya sama. They are same. Ya, both of them are same for the base. And then also for the height. Yeah, height or T in here. Yeah, it's T or we can say as height. Remember
Yeah.
this one? Yeah, the height is also same. So they are have same, they have same area. Gitu. Because the A sama 5 and then T also 4. Sorry, kebalik. A-nya is 4 and then T-nya is 5. Nah, karena sama, because they are same in the size, so same also same in the area. Next, number 3.
Yeah.
Can you help me, Ray, to solve it?
Okay, miss.
Okay, what's the base or A in here?
Hmm.
Mm, Where's the
Hmm.
base? Yeah, the base is
Six. Six.
6 is 40 ya. Heatnya 6.
Uh,
Betul. It's heat or we can say ST ya. And then it's A. Selalu as always A or base is always in the bottom. Okay. So 8 times with 6 divided by 2.
uh,
Okay, is there any questions? No, miss. Yeah. Okay. How are you today, right? Are you happy today? I think.
uh,
I think
normal.
you're. Oh, okay. But I think better than yesterday ya. Iya, miss. Tahu aja. Tahu. Next ya. Nah, B. What about this one, B? Okay, as you can see that B in here, if you join it or you put the triangle, these two triangles become one, it will make a parallelogram. So it means that parallelogram contains or there are two triangles that can be joined as one into a parallelogram. Gitu ya. So parallelogram contains two triangles. Gitu.
Okay.
Okay. So the area of parallelogram is 2 times from the area of a triangle. Gitu. Okay. So what's the area of triangle? It's 24. So the area of parallelogram, Miss tulisnya L ya, because area in Indonesia is luas. So the symbol is L. Ya, luas or area of a parallelogram is twice, ya, twice of area of triangle. The area of triangle is 24. So 2 times with 24, it's 48. Okay. Is there any questions? No? No.
Um,
Nah, this one, yeah, on yesterday, yeah, we studied about the one circle. Yeah, about the
yeah.
circle. Yeah. Can you help me? What's the area of a circle? Can you help me to say what's the area of a circle? Okay, circle,
Um,
huh?
I forgot.
Okay. Okay. I will
Is it like it's like And then like
Yeah.
R dot
Yes.
R, like
Yes.
the
R and
radius.
R, and then it's pi. Yeah, right. Because it's from I in here, right? Nah, that's good. That's good. Okay, it's area. And then what about the perimeter? The perimeter of a circle also contains P, but perimeter in here it's D. D and P. Okay, so diameter and P. And then yeah, the relationship between D, yeah, D is twice
Mm.
of R. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Why miss? Why? Just remember this one. What's uh radius in here? Radius is distance between the center to the corner, right? Nah, this one is R.
Yeah.
And then for diameter, diameter is the distance from corner into corner. Nah, it's a diameter. So diameter is twice of radius.
Mm.
Okay, is there any question? So I can
Mm.
change or I can make other formula for perimeter P times with 2 of R.
Yeah.
Gitu. Okay? Okay. Just for remind you only, okay? Number
Okay.
4. What about number 4? Number 4. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Mm.
Number 4. Like we said before, like we have talked before, ya kan? There
Yeah.
is 6 for base in here, and then parallelogram. It's 2 of a circle, right? Yeah. So we can find by times or by calculate the area of a triangle. Yeah. And then times with 2. Nah. Okay, like the questions before. Okay, or we can simplify as like a triangle. Sorry, like a rectangle. Only P times with R, or length in here times with width in here. Okay, so the area of parallelogram is 6 times 4. What's the number? 6 times 4?
Uh,
20?
20, 20, 24.
24. Okay. Okay. If you forget about the times about the number, you can find by manually 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay? But I hope you can remember ya. Okay? Min. Yeah, next. This one. Okay, on our last worksheet, yeah, exactly on yesterday worksheet, we have find area of composite figures. Yeah, do you remember? Yeah. So
Mm.
uh just do what did we do before, okay? This one. I mean like just split these figures into two parts. First parts or first shapes is here. Is on the top, ya kan? First shape is the top shape in here. So it's triangle, right? Yeah. Okay. And then what about the second shape?
Uh,
The second shape, yeah.
mm.
What's the name, Ray? Second shape? This one? What's the name of the
This,
shape? Yeah.
rectangle or
Yes,
square.
rectangle. Yeah. Do you remember what's the area of rectangle? Yummies. Yes. Okay. So the length of a rectangle is 4, and then sorry, the width of rectangle is 4, and then the length is 5. So for the second area, second shape is 4 times with 5, or 5 times with 4, yeah. So it's
It's like
20. It's
it's like
20, right?
length. It's like length times the width.
Yes. Yeah, they're same, yeah. If you put it 5 in the first, and then 5 times with 4, they are same. But I think for the, if it's not about the multiple choice, put 5 in here. Itu okay, because for essay, I think the score is the process, not the result. Okay, and then it's 20. Next, what about this one? What's the height, or what's the T for the triangle here? Right? What's the number of T in here?
Seven, seven, eight. Wait, not.
No. Yes, 7 is for total. Mm-mm.
Mm, Uh,
7 is total. Yeah. If you have 4 in here, so the left
it's
is, yes, 3. The remaining size is 3. So it's 3. Nah.
uh,
Okay, why miss? Because total length, total height in here is 7. But 4 is used by rectangle. Okay, so the remaining side is 3.
okay.
Okay, next ya. So the first area, it's 3 times with 5, right? Or 5 times with 3 ya. 5 times with 3 divided by 2. Okay, is there any questions? No?
Not.
Yeah, it's 7.5. And then just sum, or just total, just find the total of the area. So it will be 27.5. Okay. Okay, next. Got it? Got it? Okay. If you have any questions, just comment, just open mic, ya Ray. Or maybe Miss, I think you're too fast. I need
Okay.
yeah. Ray, I'm so sorry. I want to uh take some drink, okay? Wait.
Okay, guys.
And next week masih ada exam nggak sih? Atau remedial pasti? Hah?
I think yeah.
Remedial apa ya?
Mm.
Hah? Paper-paper yang udah
Oh,
dibalikin dikasih mana? Ya, papernya yang udah dibalikin mana?
I don't know.
Lah.
What do you mean? Which paper?
next ya.
Ah,
Okay.
Chemistry?
not yet.
Nggak ada.
No.
Mak, kalau belum dibalikin.
Okay, next. Okay. Ray,
Yeah.
if you what about if our next meeting the worksheet is not only about the area, but also the type of, maybe like there are short story about the questions. So I mean like thinking thinking order, hots, type
Uh,
hots. Okay. So there
okay.
are little bit of a story, and then the question is about from the story. Okay, but it's for mathematics. Okay. So
Okay.
it will be more complicated but it will helps you so much. Okay.
Like,
Because it's not only about the formula, about the calculating, but also for helping you to practice about problem solving. Okay. B. What about B, this one, Ray?
Yes.
Mm, 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 mm. I think tomorrow is holiday, right? Tomorrow will be a holiday, kan? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What about the for Friday? Friday also a holiday? No.
It's holiday. We have to like go to church.
Oh. Next, it's five. You can split them. Sorry, you can split this. What is it? This shape, this figure into two shape. Yeah, like we did before. Okay. So six in here. Six is the total length in here. Six. Okay, but we know that from these corners into this border, yeah, it's only five. So it should be five too. So the remaining side is one, right? Yeah. So for the first time, we have to find the area of rectangle. Okay. What's
Yeah.
the what's the length of the rectangle one? What's the length of the rectangle?
It's 7 times 5,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So it will be 7 times 5. It's
35.
yeah. And then what's the area for triangle? What's the A or base in here? 7,
Two
right?
centimeters.
Yes. It's 7, yeah. It's 7, yeah, Ray. Why,
Uh,
miss? Yeah, because it always same, yeah, for the length in this top and then the bottom. They always it always be same. Okay, they always be same or equal. Yeah, so it's 7 times with 1, right? Yeah, and then divided by 2, right? Yummy. Divided by 2. So it's 3.5, right? Yeah.
mhm.
Okay, just find the total, yeah. Okay. Skip. Then next. C. What about this C in here, Ray? Can you help me to solve it?
Okay, miss.
Mm-mm.
Uh, uh,
Yeah.
miss.
Hmm.
Okay, go to the toilet.
Yeah. Okay. Just tell me if you're done, yeah? Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay, let's try to continue ya. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I hope you're happy ya, like before ya, like as usual. Okay, right? Okay. Smart, smart.
Mhm.
Next. Mm-mm. What about this C?
Mm. So I like count the area first.
Yes. Split them, okay? Split this figure, okay? Okay, so there are two shapes, yeah. And then the first shapes is rectangle, right? Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. It's
Okay.
rectangle, yeah.
Oh.
So we can find the area of first is rectangle. What's the formula for rectangle here? 5 times 4, right? Yeah, it's 20. Hmm. What about the rectangle, Ray? What's the A or base in here?
Berat. Oh, Andi. Ya.
What's the number of A or
Duduknya
base
di
in here,
jendela.
Ray?
What, miss? My mom's talking. I didn't hear.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, now this one. What's the number of A in here for the triangle? 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And then what the height or what's the T in here? Just remember that 10 in here is the total T or total length, ya kan? Total height in here. But there's 4 in here. So the remaining side is 6, right? Yeah, the remaining length is 6. It's 6. So the height is 6, right? Yes. The height is
Yeah.
6. Yeah, so it's 6 ya. Nah, this one it's 6. Nah, okay. So what's the area of the triangle, right?
Times 6.
Mm-mm. 5, 6, 5 times with 6 and then divided by 2. Okay, so it's 15, right? So
Yeah.
the answer is 35. Okay. Yeah. Nah, this one like wait. Nah, this question three, yeah.
Yeah.
It's more difficult, but I think it's more often lah
Yeah.
than this one. Okay. Okay. One questions,
Oh,
yeah, one questions again, and then move to this one. Move to number 7 ya. Why not number 6, Miss? Number 6 ini jarang gitu. Kayak kita jarang ketemu gitu. Oke. Oke, lanjut. Nah, ini ya. Sorry. Nah, just split these figures into two shapes, right? Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me what's the area for the rectangle, right? What's the area of the rectangle?
uh, 35.
35, right? 8
Wait.
times with 5. What's the number? 40, ya.
Wow.
Yeah, 40. Okay. Nice.
7.
Yes. What about this one? The area of a rectangle. If you have 8 for the total length is 8. And
Yeah.
then there are 2 and 1. So the remaining length in here is 5, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So the area of triangle is 5 times with 5 divided by 2. It's 12.5, right? Yes.
Yeah.
And then calculate. Okay, okay. Next ya, Ray. Nah, okay. The frequency of the questions that more more frequency that what is it like in every questions, I think it's more often to be a questions. Jadi kayak lebih banyak yang keluar gitu loh, yang nomor 7 ini dibanding dengan yang sebelumnya. Next, what about this one, Miss? Yang dicari or this one, the area is about the shaded area, or it's this one in gray area. So we have to find gray area in here. Gray area in here. What's the gray area in here, Miss? The total gray in here, it's rectangle. But then, there is a rectangle that make it like bolong, like holding gitu. Oke, kayak bolong tengahnya gitu. Oke, so you have to find the area by total total area for rectangle minus the area of the rectangle. Okay, why, Miss? Because like I said before, we just only find the gray area in here. Just find the gray area in here. The gray area is when you have like a rectangle paper and then you make you make triangle on the inner, ya. So it will be like a bolong like tidak ada isinya gitu, oke? Oke. So the area is area of rectangle or the outer area, the whole of area minus the inner, okay? Or the inner is triangle. Itu. So it's only for it's we will do it, yeah, we will do it to B2. Okay? B do the same way with the A. Okay? Next. Rectangle. What's the area of rectangle in here? It's 6.2 and 5.2, right? Yes.
Yeah.
So, just times these numbers minus what's the area of the triangle here? It's 3 for head and then 4 for base or for alasnya ya. Alas is A. So 4 times with 3 divided by 2. It's 6. Okay, so the answer is this one minus with 6. Okay, if you're at your school, can have a calculator here. Can, yeah, just find it with your calculator. But if not, yeah, do your manual way. Okay. So the answer is 26.24. Next. Yeah, next. This one, the whole shape or the big shape is rectangle. And then the inner, ya, isinya, ya, it's square. So, big minus the big one minus the small one. So, area of a triangle minus area of square. Okay. Okay, is there any
Yeah.
questions? No, yeah. Is there any questions? No, yeah. Okay. So what's the
Yeah.
area of triangle here, eh? Can you help me to solve it? What's the area of rectangle here? Triangle here. What's the area of the triangle here?
Mm. Uh, uh, mm. So, I'm trying to calculate.
8 times with 6.2, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Divided by 2. Don't forget
Divided
to.
by 2.
And then, what's the area of the square?
24.8.
Yeah, this one 24.8. Yeah, this one. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what's the area of the square? Area of the square is 2 times with 2, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then Ya udah, kita selesaikan aja. Solve it. Oke. It's 22.6. Yes. Betul. Okay, next. Nah, this one. What about this one, Miss? Okay. If you get anything about the hate, yeah, I think it's not the material, it's not the mungkin nanti for high school maybe it will um make it deeper or you will talk the material more deep ya, deeper gitu. Kalau misalkan nanti sudah SMA akan lebih dalam lagi. But if it's on the junior high school like 7th grade, no, I think it's not so deep. Okay, I think it's not so what it was it like more clear, no, clearer, no. Okay, I think it's only about the area, not as complicated as these questions. Okay. Yeah. Nah,
Yeah.
okay. This one, I think it's okay. Okay. Number 11. Okay, number 11 and then number 12 ya, Rey ya.
Okay.
11 and then 12. Can you help me how to solve it? Can you tell me?
Hmm. You like find the area of the circle first, and then like
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Rectangle, right? Rectangle
yeah,
minus a circle, right? Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think
Then like you find like the area of the circle.
yeah, area of the circle. What's the formula of area of a circle?
Uh, Pi
Uh-uh.
times
R
one.
R. Mm-mm.
R.
R R. So what's the R in here? What's the number of R in here? One, right? Yes.
Yeah.
So it
Is it
should be a
C?
minus. Yes, see. Yes. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy. You're more uh so updated. So much changes. Oh, keren. Sangat-sangat berubah ya, Ray, I think. Amin ya. I hope at your school you can apply what anything that we have studied, yeah, that we have studied in here. Wait. Next. Next. And I hope someday or in every math test that you will face, you will have more and more in the result. Yeah, amin, yeah, amin.
Yeah.
Number 12. You buy a pizza. The diameter of pizza is 16. Okay, you only eat half of the pizza. How many square inches of pizza did you eat? Okay, pizza. What's the shape of a pizza? Pizza is circle, right? Yeah, pizza is a circle. Yeah, so you only eat half. Half.
Yeah.
Remember? Yeah, remember about the area of a circle, right? Yes.
Yeah.
But you only need half. So put half in the front of the formula. Okay? Half in here and then pi of r. Okay? If you have diameter of the pizza is 16, so can you find the area? Sorry, can you find the radius in here? If you have diameter is 16, so area is so the radius is
16 inches.
okay. Diameter is the total length from side to side, from this one corner to corner. It's a diameter. Okay,
Uh,
so 16 in here. So the middle is
Ini pisang maksudnya ini kentang ini.
8, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Right.
So the radius is 8, right? Nah, if the radius is not multiple of 7, what's the pi we should use, Ray? 3.14, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Don't forget to put the value of pi in here, yeah? There are two kinds of pi. Do you remember? Yeah. Okay. Do you remember two kinds of pi? First type is 3.14, and then the second type is 22 divided by 7. Okay. And then just calculate with your calculator or with your manual way. Okay. Next, number 14 ya. 14 because number 13 udah terlalu bisa deh. Ya.
Okay.
Next, 14 and then we have to review and then closing. Okay.
Okay.
Number 14. What's the name of the shape in here? It's called as rhombus. Rhombus like a diamond, you know. Nah, okay, rhombus looks like a diamond. Okay, so area of rhombus is this one. Yeah, we call it as wait. This one we call it as a S. Okay, and this one is also as S2. Okay, so if you want to calculate the number, you have to find this one. How to find this one means how to find this. Nah, sepanjang ini, how to find the length of the diagonal. Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. If you forgot, how to find, just make it like this one. It's a triangle. 1, 2, 3. Looks like a triangle, right? With this is a base and this is a T. Okay, you can find by this
Yeah.
method. Okay, but I think it so jarang banget sih ya. Lebih sering yang ini. Okay, let's try to number 16 aja. Because rhombus I think is not so often like the other shapes. Okay, number 16 aja dulu ya. What area of the shaded figure? Which one? You have rectangle here, right? Yes.
Yeah.
What's the area of rectangle? 14 times with 25.
Yeah.
And yes, and then minus. What's the minus? Triangle, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Triangle in here. Yeah. What's the area of the triangle here, Ray? Can you help me?
Okay.
Mhm. What's the base or in here?
11 cent.
Yes, 11 times with 25.
And then,
Don't forget to divide it by 2. Okay. On the last meeting, I was telling you that how to find our matrix about the about the times with 11. Do you remember? If any number times with 11, just split them. Okay. 2
yeah.
times with 5, 2 plus 5 is 7. So the result is 275. Okay, remember about this method? Okay. You can use your calculator or in manual way ya. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
review. Today we have studied about the next or about the same worksheet with the last worksheet ya. Okay, with the same worksheet on yesterday. Okay, and then we studied about the area of triangle, area of a rectangle, area of a circle. Yeah, and then, okay, we studied about the shaded area. How to find a shaded area. Okay, the big shape minus the small shape. Okay, and then we talk about the value. Okay, it's not only about the numbers of the result of the number, no, but also about the formula only. Okay, without any find the final result. Okay, I think it's enough for today, Ray. Thank you for joining this meeting. Okay, bye bye. I hope you're happy in your day. Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Bilang apa ke
Thank
Miss-nya?
you, Miss.
Thank